This kind of tragedies is happening and it's not stopping. Last year there was a shooting in synagogue in Pittsburgh. That was, a lot of innocent people were killed in that shooting also. 2 years ago there was shooting in the Quebec mosque. That was also a tragedy. So these kind of tragedies are not stopping, and the hate is on the rise. It's not going down. It's about time that Islamophobia has to be declared as a hate crime. We cannot compromise less than this. Islamophobia has been condemned, I know, in the parliament, but it has to be as not only just condemnation, but also a tangible steps towards stopping hate. Regardless whether we are Jews or Christians or Sikhs or anybody, immigrant, visible minorities, we are all facing the same problem.
We do stand with our Muslim brothers and sisters. We have faced the same issue in Wisconsin at Secordora a couple of years ago, and particularly this happened there. Our prayers are with the victims and the families. Our deep condolences are with them, and we're only we get united, we can work together to prevent these kind of incidents.
One of the ways I think that we can effectively stem this rise in anti-Semitism and Islamophobia and all irrational hatred is through religious literacy, and we're committed to creating relationships, to building bridges in which we get to know each other and we diminish these stereotypes and these misunderstandings about who we are and what we have in common. So I stand with you today.
Thank you.
Sadness, we offer our prayers for the recovery of those who are injured and for the well-being of those who have survived this horrible massacre.
Any act of hatred against the freedom of religions is a reproach against all religions, including Christianity and Catholicism. And I would just like to repeat, and I'm sure you've all repeated, our solidarity with the victims and with their families. And again, to say that we stand in this together, 100%, even from here in Canada and Calgary. We can be of any help to the community. Please let us know.